In this video, I'll show you how to link SoFi to Cash App. Connecting your SoFi account makes it easy to transfer money directly to Cash App and manage your funds all in one place. First, open Cash App on your mobile device and tap on the profile icon in the top right corner. This will take you to your account settings, where you can manage your personal and financial information. From here, scroll down and tap on Linked Banks to begin the process. Once you're on the Linked Bank screen, tap on Link Debit Card. It will ask you to enter your debit card details, but instead, tap on the No Card option at the top of the screen. Then tap Continue at the bottom to proceed. Next, scroll through the list of banks to find SoFi. If you don't see it listed, use the search bar at the top to locate SoFi manually. Once you select SoFi, you'll be prompted to authenticate your account. Tap Continue at the bottom of the screen to proceed to the login page. On the login page, enter your SoFi account credentials, just as you normally would. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the connection. Once your account is linked, head back to the Cash App home screen. From the home screen, tap on the bank icon in the bottom left corner. This will take you to the Add Cash screen. You can either select a preset amount or tap the three-dot icon to enter your desired amount manually. Then tap Add Cash at the bottom and enter your Cash App PIN to confirm the transfer. And that's it. Linking your SoFi account to Cash App is simple and secure, allowing you to transfer money quickly and manage your finances easily right from your phone.